So we don't have much wood left. That's empty. That's empty. We used to have a stack right here. It's gone. We just got this little pile of dry wood. We got some things ready to be cut up for next year. But I think here tonight and tomorrow it's probably the last. Tonight and tomorrow is probably the last frost. Just trying to get a couple pieces ready for the night. Check on these guys. Oh, they out of water. So I need to move them again, but I don't quite know where I'm gonna move them yet. Just because of my my power source, my electric. I'm tying in off of my existing fence with these little, just a little jumper wire I made here, and it kind of runs over to the where the dog is. It's only about 20 feet long or so, so I can't go too far from this fence. And I've already been in about all the spaces I can get to. Because I need to, bunch of trash over here from the, so I need to, this is hot on this side of the fence, but over here, so I got wire ran up against this fence here, but it's not on yet. So I think I'm gonna have to put a little crimp down here and connect them. I mean, that was the plan. Just haven't done it yet. Kind of like you see here. I got this crimped on here from this side of the fence over here. It's crimped. So I'm about to run another wire to connect it over here. Then I can put the chickens all up along this fence, all the way up the yard here. So we might do that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and fix this fence. I got some what I got here? I got some underground. This is some underground cable. So we're gonna take it and connect it from let's see, what are we gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna connect it from this fence over here to this fence over here. So from one side of the pole to the other, got my underground cable. First step is to turn the fence off. Yeah. If you ever do this, make sure you turn the fence off. Alright, so I got my fence off here. I need to see how long of a piece I need. I just snipped me off a piece there, so I get my crimp on. I'm gonna do this on both sides. There we go. Got some crimpers and an open crimp. You slide this through here and then crimp that onto the fence, the existing fence. So, got it crimped on there. It's nice and tight, it ain't going nowhere. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Way longer than it needs to be. Alright, simple as that. We are officially connected. I got that crimped on there. It's crimped on over there. So these two lines, these two fences are connected. So now when I turn this one back on, this will be hot here. And it goes all the way up this fence line here, which hasn't been on yet. I've had it done for, I don't know, man, almost a year or so. It's been a while, but I just never connected it. So now it's connected. I got all these leaves and trash that the wind done blew over here in this corner. I think I'm gonna have to go get a rake, come clean this out. Clean out this fence line, get everything off of it. There's some brush I can't pick up. Some brush on it. Probably need a weed eat underneath it. Goes up quite a ways, but now I can you know, put the chickens over here. I wanted to move them yesterday. I didn't get to it, so I'll probably wait till this evening. I'll go this evening and move them, Lord willing. They're out of feed. I gotta go get them some more feed. I probably need a weed eat in here where the dogs are too. Just check my fence line. I know I got one piece that broke off somewhere down that line there, but grass is starting to grow. It's getting green out. Laying in the shade. Well, it's about dark. It's gonna come out and move them, but they're still out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to move them tonight, because they can see me. I come outside, they see me, they come out thinking I'm gonna feed them or something. So, oh well. Might move them tomorrow. I still gotta sweep up this little corner here so I can turn this fence on. I'm gonna work on that a little bit. Maybe they'll go in. If not, I'll just have to move them in the morning.